Iron jack. This is a 2004 Lincoln Navigator. I'm doing a time chain job. It's a ticking sound I'm hearing on a bank one side right here, passenger side, and I hate to hear the sound. I'm only doing this job because of my wife's truck. Otherwise, I won't mess a job like this. Uh, I do it all. I change engine, replace transmission, do it all. I hate to be doing rebuilding engine stuff like this. Timing belt I do it all day, every day. But timing chain, I don't like to mess with them. But I find my problem just now. Let me show you. After taking all this whole timing chain apart, the ticking sound is coming from that side on the driver's side. But let me show you. See this guy right here, the chain guy, where it ride on, that yellow piece is there. It's nice, but this yellow piece is missing on this side, and you can see this guy eating up right there. That's how I spot the other side was missing. See now, you see this middle piece right here? You can see that middle piece where the chain, see the chain is riding on this metal piece. This is a tensioner right here, and this is a tensioner shaft, and this is the guide for the chain. Now, if we look at this side right here, the passenger side, or the bank one side, that guy is missing, and the tensioner is eat up. The chain eat it up, and this shaft is bent because the engine turning, the tensioner, the chain turning, moving that shaft. But you can see right there, it eat up really bad, and this yellow piece, of course, is gone. Not just the yellow piece, but the metal piece itself is gone. Yes, this is my problem right here. This is a 2004 Lincoln Navigator timing chain noise problem. Telling you how to remove this. If you know what you're doing, you know what to do. If you don't know what you're doing, we don't have to go through this step, because don't mess with it, period. That's my recommendation or my advice. You don't know what you're doing, don't mess with it. If you know what you're doing, good luck. Iron Jack.